When this story first came out, it was a shock to a lot of people. Yeah, we know about the Tupac situation and the Biggie situation, from 96 and on from Tupac, at least allegedly, right? But when this news came out recently, you want to talk about the shock waves that it sent through. Never knew that this guy was involved in all of this stuff allegedly that has came out. All the women, all the men that he allegedly was involved with has come forward. The video, the Cassie video, everything leading up to it, just shocking. A lot of people involved, a lot of people was hurt. But like I say, the man is innocent until proven guilty. He deserves that. As much wrong we want to put on him, he at least has that. He has a chance to prove his innocence in court, which he will do once they go to trial. But I gotta tell you, all this evidence, man, if they have this evidence and it's not smoke, this man is not gonna stand a chance. It's too much coming out on a weekly basis. And now we're sitting here with 2 women and 4 men filing new lawsuits against Sean Combs today. And they're all represented by Houston attorney Tony Buzbee. We're going to get into the article. If y'all don't know me, I'm GDW, Goody Motor Warden. This channel here, I haven't been posting for a while. I mean, I just cranked it back up a few weeks ago, but I think it's been about a year since I posted anything on this channel. So I'll tell you one thing, this story gives you a lot of ammo. I will say that, because it has enough information on it to talk about it every day. But I'm not going to talk about it every day. I'd rather do other things than talk about Sean P. Diddy Combs every day. Now, if new things come up, might post a video or article or something to, bring some light to it. But other than that, I'm not going to sit here and talk about Sean P. Diddy Combs every day. They're going to work that out in court, and the people that was involved and who was a victim, prayers go out to you, and hope you seeking justice. The ones that haven't came forward yet, hope you gaining strength to come forward and have your day in court. Have your day in court. And if all this is true, what this man is being accused of, yes, he does need to go to jail. No doubt about that. If he can prove he's innocent and all this is just smoke and lies, and I'm pretty sure he's going to want to file a few suits himself if all this turns out to be smoke. But we're going to get into this article today. New lawsuits. 6 new accusers in this situation. So wardens, let's get into it. The Houston lawyer who promised a wave of new lawsuits against Sean Diddy Combs filed his first complaints Monday on behalf of 2 Jane Does and 4 John Does who alleged they were the victims of violent sexual assaults between 1995 and 2021. One plaintiff claims he was 16 years old when Combs allegedly assaulted him at one of the music mogul's famous white parties. Lawyer Tony Buzbee recently touted his representation of 120 people who claim they suffered disturbing abuse by Combs. The 6 new lawsuits, filed in the Southern District of New York under the city's Victims of Gender-Motivated Violence Protection Act. Combs' attorneys largely denied the accusations in the lawsuits in a statement provided to the Rolling Stone. The press conference and 1-800 number that preceded today's barrage of filings were clear attempts to garner publicity. The statement read, "Mr. Combs and his legal team have full confidence in the facts, their legal defense, and the integrity of the judicial process. In court, the truth will prevail. That Mr. Combs has never sexually assaulted anyone, adult or minor, man or woman." A John Doe who lives in North Carolina is the first male to allege Combs assaulted him when he was a minor. The plaintiff claims he was 16 years old in 1998 when he attended one of Combs' legendary Hamptons-based white parties after being invited through a mutual connection. Doe claims he bumped into Combs during the event and took a photo with the Bad Boy Entertainment founder that's included in the filing. He says they discussed Doe's interest in the music industry and moved to a private area where the conversation took an unexpected turn for the worst. Combs allegedly told Doe to drop his pants and expose his hot dog. And we're going to call it a hot dog. We're not going to get too X-rated. So that's how we will address private areas on this video. So expose his hot dog so Combs could inspect it. The lawsuit states when the teen resisted, Combs allegedly responded, "Don't you want to break into the business?" The lawsuit claims that Combs then grabbed John Doe's hot dog and genitals with his hand and began squeezing and feeling the teen's genitals. Afterward, Combs allegedly told Doe that his people would be in touch. The alleged encounter continues to humiliate and cause shame, Doe's lawsuit claims. Another plaintiff claims that she was assaulted by Combs in 2004 when she was 19 years old. The Jane Doe alleged she was a college student in Brooklyn when she met Combs at a photo shoot promoting Combs' musical act, The Band. She claims Combs invited her and her friend to an after party, but asked them to stop by his Manhattan Marriott Hotel room first. According to the 19-page complaint, someone in Combs' entourage suddenly grabbed the woman, isolated them in a separate room with Combs while allegedly telling them, "You know what you are here for." The Jane Doe alleged Combs instructed her and her friend to imbibe alcohol and Coca-Cola that he had prepared for them on a table. And of course, we're going to substitute the drug and we're going to call it Coca-Cola. I think y'all get the point of what I'm talking about. So imbibe alcohol and Coca-Cola that he had prepared for them on a table. Combs continued getting gradually more aggressive with the two women and eventually began forcibly touching them without consent. The lawsuit states, when they resisted, Combs ordered Miss Doe's friend to perform oral sex on him, or else he would have them both terminated. Can you imagine that? Just hearing these words, it's almost like a movie or a horror show.